Today we're going to dive into looking at the 13-inch Pro Ultra Lamcraft laminator. This is the premium option when it comes to the 4 sizes of laminators Lamcraft sells on their website and can be used with or without a paper carrier when laminating. Just like any other laminator of Lamcraft's, to start you simply plug it in and flip the switch located on the back on. You want to make sure to create a flat surface in the back for your product to land on to have the best quality outcome. To heat up the laminator, press the red hot button. You'll know it's heating up when you see the blinking flame, as well as the temperature that is set in Celsius and the speed it will run the product at. When it's ready, you'll hear a beep and see ready displayed on the screen. This laminator can laminate a variety of things like our premium memorial cards as seen here. If you want to laminate a lot of things quickly, we recommend bumping up the temperature to around 115 and setting the speed higher as well. To show just how fast this laminator can laminate, we prepped 50 prayer cards and timed how long it took to laminate all of them. You can see just how fast these prayer cards went through the lamination process. As I was laminating, I truthfully had a hard time keeping up with guiding them in and putting them aside because the laminator was just so quick in pushing them out. In the end, it took around 1 minute and 42 seconds to laminate 50, but could have been done even faster if I had another person helping me or if I did a better job at keeping up with the laminator. The prayer cards came out in great quality, and it was nice not having to use a paper carrier to prep all 50 of them. After, we used the thin piece of cardboard that came with the pack of prayer cards and ran it through the laminator to collect any squeezed out glue from the lamination pouches. To turn it off, you just press the memo and then stop button and make sure the screen says cool.